And y'all came out with. Alright, this is something new I was doing, which is making weed trays, grinders, pre-roll-ups, coasters, shot cups, ashtrays, and these are some of the things that I made within like the last couple of days. This is everything that I did. So this is the pre-rollers. So these is the ashtrays. I basically can do different colors, solid patterns. These are the pre-rollers. So with the pre-rollers, you just take your paper and you take your marijuana and you put it in here. So it gives you like the exact amount. You just lift it up and you fold and roll. Alright, so we back to the trays. These are the weed trays. So you can put your roll-ups in here, your weed right here, your lighter, drop your grind in there. And I basically do these in different colors too. So these last 4 things are just like little miscellaneous things. Shot cups, custom made pyramids. You can put whatever you want, pictures, ashes, whatever, you know, something sentimental. A coaster and a candle holder.